Okay. Hello, everyone. Thanks for taking your time to attend our Digital Signal Solutions trainings. If you have any questions, please input it in the chat room, and we will answer these questions after the trainings. So today's trainings will be divided into 4 parts. The first part is the introductions of solution and the new products, mini box N2. And I think many customers may know that our digital signal device, right? The ZKDS series. So what is the difference between N2 and the digital signal device? Well, please find this answer in the next trainings. And the second part, we will introduce some highlights for these solutions. The third part, we will teach you how to distribute the programs in a few steps. And last one, we will introduce some applications for these solutions. So the first is the solution and products introductions. Our digital signal solutions are especially designed for the information release. It can display the pictures, videos, text, and other contents. So it can be used to the advertising scenarios like fast food stores, restaurant, shopping malls, and the school. For example, the digital menus and new products promotions used for the fast food and bubble tea stops, even the supermarkets. For the hospital and the school, we'll show some notice informations. And the hotel or shopping centers can display the information about the popular tourist destinations or the shopping advertisement. And here is our test address here. You can test our solutions with this address, or you can install the software in computers. And please note that the lessons for these solutions are free. So next part, we will introduce the firewall diagrams. Here you can see that we have 2 options for customers. The first is the digital signal terminals, the ZKDS series products. And the second one is the mini box media station N2 with a monitor. For the N2s, the customer can use the ZK monitors, or they can use the third parties monitors. We just need the monitor can support the HDMI interface. So what is the difference between lens? The features for lens are same, just with the different hardware. For digital signal device, the series products can be equipped with the large screens and like 32-inch and 43 or even the 55-inch displays. But if the customer already have the monitors or they want to use the small monitors, the mini box will be a good choice for them. Okay, here is the following hardware is required for the different options. Here's the option A. And this is our mini box N2. And to realize these options, we need the N2 box and a monitor and the software. You can, for these options, you need the as we just said, for these options, we just need the monitor can support with the HDMI interface to connect with the N2 product. And customers do not have to worry about the adaptations for programs and displays. They can set the correct resolutions when creating a program on the software. so that programs can be adapted to their displays. Here is the specifications of N2, and the system is Android 7.1. The system is 7.1 here, and it can support the 1 GB RAM and 8 GB ROM. The highest monitor resolutions can be supposed the 1080p. And for the communication, it can support the TCP/IP and the Wi-Fi. For the option B is the digital signage device. For these options, we just need the ZKDS series products, and the software is okay. So here's the specifications for these products. And the system is also the Android 7.1 and supports the 1 GB RAM and 8 GB ROM. The highest monitor resolution is also the 1080p. And the communications supports the Wi-Fi and TCP/IP. For the size of the screens, it can support the 32, 43, and 55 inch. Okay, here's we will introduce some highlight points for these solutions. The first is the visual contents editors. The customers can make the programs in the editors, and the program is what you set is what you see. The second can support the different contents like video, pictures, text, and audio, documents, and timed and excerpt. The third is can support the different kinds of terminals, like the advertising machines, ZKDS series, and N2 with monitor, and the last one is our visitors terminals. The fourth is it can create a loop schedules, and suppose creating a loop schedule which can schedule by day, by week, or customizing our schedules. And the fifth is it can suppose the multi-level user permissions. It can suppose the creating user roles in the softwares. For example, we have two devices here, and role 8 can control the device 1, and role B can control the device 2. It means that the role 8 cannot control the device 2. The device 2 can only controlled by role B. The last one is for the device can suppose with the last one is we can import the video or pictures with the USB flash disk. And here are some software features here. We just need to see this point. And the software can suppose uploading up to 10,000 materials, and the picture should be less than 10 MB, and the size of the video should less than 1 GB. And the second one is it can suppose the managing up to 2,000 programs and 1,000 schedules, 1,000 release code. So how to complete two progress distributions in the few steps. The first is to make a progress. The step 1, make the progress. And what you see is what you guess. These virtual editors can allow the managers to make and check the plate effects of the program directly here. And the second step is to input the basic information. Like we need to set the data, the distributions data type, and you can look the schedules here. Step 3 is to select the programs we make just now. And the last one, we need to select the device. Here is a videos operating video. Hope it can make you more clearly about this, about our solutions. Okay, first we need to set the correct IP address and the server ports, even the download ports on the firmware. If you don't know the correct port, you can check it on the software login page, the about selection. Okay, here you can check the correct point here. After you're setting the correct the port numbers, the device will add to the software automated. Now we need to upload some materials for the programs, like video, pictures, anything you want, you can upload here. Now we need to make a new programs here. Here is the resolution we can set it. And if you use the N2, you can choose or setting the resolution you want here. Okay, making the progress. We add the video, text, and pictures and text here. Okay, sorry. Okay, save it. Here we can see the previews of this program. Now we need to set in the basic information of this program, like data, time, and the schedule for these programs. Select the programs we make just now. And the last step, we need to select the device. Okay, finish. Then we can see the programs on the monitors or the terminal. So here we will introduce some applications for these solutions. So for these solutions, we could use in many different scenarios, like convenience stores, bubble tea shops, restaurant, shopping mall, to show the digital menus of new products or the discount information. And for the bank or hotels, schools, and other places can show some notice, advertisements information. Here's examples for loss management. Here's we have the administrators here. And it can issue the different laws to different peoples or to the different laws. And we can see we have 3 laws here, Lord A, Lord B, and the Lord C. So the different laws can only control the device in their stores. The law role A cannot control the role B's device because he doesn't have the permissions. And another example is for the fast food restaurants or the bubble tip shops, and basically unfit. So the managers can manage the menu displayed for these stops through the software. Only this person can control all device here. Okay, next is the questions and answer time. So if you have any questions, please input your questions in the chat room. We will answer your questions here.